So now we're going to look at an application problem. So this tells us your friend gives you the options below. Which is a better deal? Option 1, $1,500 per day for 3 weeks. Or option 2, doubling a nickel each day for 3 weeks. So I need to figure out how much money I get with either option to see which is going to be the better deal. So option 1, that tells me I'm going to get $1,500 every day for 3 weeks. So that means the first day I'm going to get $1,500. Next day I'm going to get $1,500. The 15th day, getting another $1,500. So that means I'm just doing 1,500 times the number of days. Well, in 3 weeks there are 21 days. So I'm going to have 1,500 times 21, which, if you put that in your calculator, will get you 31,500. So that's how much money I'll get with option 1. Now I need to figure out how much money I'll get with option 2. So option 2, again, that tells me I'm doubling a nickel each day for 3 weeks. So again, no 3 weeks, that's 21 days. Now I'm doubling a nickel each day. So I'm doubling whatever I have every day. So that means I am multiplying it by 2. And then again, a nickel, if you remember, that is 5 cents, so 0.05. So since I'm multiplying it by a number every day, this is going to be an exponential function. Option 1, that was a linear function because I'm just doing 1,500 times x, which x here represents number of days. This one, however, I am doubling it every time. So it's going to be an exponential function. So if you remember from our previous notes, exponential function is y equals a times b to the t, where a is your starting amount. Well, I'm starting with a nickel, which is 5 cents, or 0.05. B is what I'm doing to the problem. So what am I multiplying by? Well, I'm multiplying by 2 each time since I'm doubling. And then t is the time, and that's, in this case, 21 days. So now I'm going to plug all of that into this function. So instead of a, I'm going to have 0.05. Instead of b, I'm going to have 2. And then instead of t, I'm going to have 21. And then when I put all of that into my calculator, I get 104,857. So looking at those two options, clearly option 2 is the better deal. I get quite a bit more money than option 1. And so this really shows the difference between linear and exponential. Linear, in the long run, that growth isn't going to be as much as an exponential. Exponential, I may have started with such a small amount. I started with 5 cents, 0.05. But after 21 days, it grew to this huge amount of 104,000. Where option 1, it may sound like the better deal to start off with, because you're starting with $1,500 and you're getting that every single day. But in the long run, that exponential growth is going to quickly catch up to a linear growth, where it's going to be the better deal. But that is it for today. If you want to look at some extra problems, those are linked below. Otherwise, you can go ahead and get started on your assignment. I hope you all have a great day.